కొంతమంది
జాయిన్ కళ్యాణ్ కనిపించారు లైక్
షేర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
నీది కూడా ఆన్ చేయలేదా నువ్వు?
సార్ నా ఫోన్
ఇది మరి ఇంట్లో చెప్పవలసిందే. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి మిస్ అవుతుంది కదా.
4 members.
దీనికి అస్సలు రాలేదు. గంట పట్టుకొని ఫుల్ ప్యాకెట్
కుర్చీ తీసుకోవాలంటే
కూర్చుంటా.
ఏం కాదు కూర్చోరా.
నేను అట్లా చూస్తూనే ఉన్నా. నువ్వు ఈ అందిస్తుంది సార్.
1 minute అయిపోయింది.
స్టార్ట్
4 members వచ్చారు.
కొంచెం వెళ్తాం.
వాళ్ళకి జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి 5 members. ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్, లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళిపోతారు. అందరికి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
ఎక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది?
ఇక్కడ పైన 5 members. 6. ఇక్కడ అన్ని సార్ వెల్కమ్ టు లైవ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ చిల్డ్రన్స్ అని చెప్పింది సార్.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, పిల్లల కోసం తయారు చేసిన 3 ప్రమాదకరం క్యాన్సర్ కూడా వచ్చాయి.
Hi viewers, are you ready for the live class? Are you want to enjoy? You will wait for little bit time, just only 4-5 minutes we'll wait. We'll start the class live, real numbers, mathematics. I will give you the best of the best. Okay?
సార్ మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ముఖం చాలా పెద్దగా అనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఎక్కడ కూర్చోండి.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి అంటే మీరు చెప్పినప్పుడు
అప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది తర్వాత. వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
మ్యూట్ ఆప్షన్ మ్యూట్. అన్మ్యూట్. సైలెన్స్. అంతే స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది అది ఇప్పుడు.
Hi viewers, my dear students, I am coming with the rational real numbers today. I hope so. I will give the best. Wait and see. Carefully listen. Don't go for any kind of the play moment with this live telecast. So now, and first of all, when we are going to the live telecast of the real numbers, and I want to say what is the meaning of actually real numbers. Real numbers means it is a combination of rational number and irrational number. Rational number and irrational number together we call real numbers. Rational number and irrational number together we call real numbers. Here, what is the irrational number means? It is nothing but the real number cannot be in the form of P by Q. It cannot be in the form of P by Q. And the rational number means it is compulsory in the form of P by Q. And irrational number purpose I can give examples: root 3, root 2, root 3, root 5, so on. These are best example for irrational numbers. And rational numbers point of view, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Like this, we having the rational numbers. So these rational numbers and irrational numbers together we call real numbers. And now here, after learning the real numbers, I want to give who is the best person to give the concept of these real numbers is Euclid. And here I am giving the Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is given one use beautiful format, that is a is equals to, this is the formula of the Euclid division lemma formula, BQ plus R. A is equals to BQ plus R. I think it is there already in the textbook, you will say, but I want to give the clear cut explanation here. Suppose 25 is there, which is going to divide by 4. 6 times it will go 24 and 1 will be the remainder. Here, what is A, what is B, what is Q and what is R? Here, 25 is the A, that means dividend. 25 is the A, that is dividend. And B, 4 is the divisor, that is the B. And 6 is the quotient, Q. And plus 1 is the remainder. And you can see now 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So 25 equal to 25. Now we are justifying with the help of this Euclid division lemma. Once again, A is a dividend, B is a divisor, and Q is a 6 here, and R is a remainder here. So this is the Euclid division lemma format. Here, one more example I want to give here. There are given here, using this one, find out the apply the Euclid division lemma between these two numbers, 900 and 270. Whenever taking like this, take this 900 big number as a dividend and a small number as a divisor. 270 in 900, it will go 3 operations and it will be 810, and thereafter it will be 90 is a remainder. Now here, what is the dividend? 900 20, and what will the quotient? 3, and what will the remainder? 90. So 273 is a 810, 810 plus 90, 900. So 900 equal to 900. I think you got the clear meaning of the Euclid division lemma. Now the next concept. I want to explain few sums here. I'm basing on this Euclid division lemma only. What is that means? One problem you can see in the state syllabus, both the Telangana and the state syllabus. We are having the 1.1 exercise in real numbers in the sum number second. One problem is there in your textbooks also, you can see. Use division algorithm. Division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. And you have to stress here odd integer, positive odd integer is at that one. You try to test over there. And how to solve this kind of problem where q is a some integer, where q is some integer. Here, see the problem once again carefully. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So, stepwise I will explain you now how to solve this beautiful problem. It is a compulsory problem for you. And see here, and I am not rubbing the total sum here for solution point of view. Here, the solution I am giving, let A be any positive odd is very important here. Odd integer, any positive odd integer. This is the step number 1. Let A be any positive odd integer. We have tried. Okay, confirming that one, A is any positive odd integer. Next, what are you going to do? Apply Euclid division lemma formula here. Apply Euclid division lemma formula here, and with A and where B is equals to 6. You will get confused here. B is equals to 6, how we got? So that confusion, I want to clarify the confusion here. You can see in the question is given 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Here, according to the Euclid division lemma, A is equals to BQ plus R. In this case, here 6 is a B, Q is as is R here. That means B is the value of the B is 6 here. So that is here 6 is there, here 6 is there, here 6 is there. That means B is a 6 now. So what is A? A is any positive odd integer. B is what is the divisor over here. Okay. Now what is the next step? This is step number 1 is let A be any positive odd integer. Step number 2 is apply the Euclid division lemma with A and B where B is equal to 6. Here what is the main formula of Euclid division lemma means R is greater than or equal to 0 or less than B. That means I already gave that one. Last one definition. Remainder should be equal to 0. Remainder can be equal to 0. Remainder may be greater than 0. Remainder equal to 0 or greater than 0. But remainder cannot be greater than divisor. Divisor always bigger than remainder. Divisor always bigger than remainder. So now this we have to apply. In this place, in the place of the B, I am going to apply 6. That means here whatever the reminders, possible reminders are there. So the third step I am giving here, the possible, let the possible reminders here. Once again, step number 1, let A be any positive integer. Step number 2, apply Euclid division lemma with A and B, where B is equals to 6. And thereafter we have to apply this. R is greater than or equal to 0, less than 6. Step number 3 now. Now, the possible reminders. The possible reminders. What are the possible reminders? Here, b is equals to 6 already we know. B is equals to 6. The possible reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I chopped here 5? Because these are reminders. What I gave is 0 is a reminder, 1 is a reminder, possible reminder, 2 is a possible reminder, 3 is a possible reminder, 4 also possible reminder, 5 also possible reminder. Reminder must be smaller than b, smaller than divisor. Reminder always must be smaller than divisor according to the formula, this one. That means remainder is smaller than b. Here b value 6 means remainders will be possible up to 5 only. So now step number 4 you can see the possible a values. The possible all a values. All how many a values are possible? All a values. Here 6q plus 0, 6q will come. Now 6q plus 1 with first remainder, 6q plus 2 with second remainder, 6q plus 3 third remainder, fourth remainder. Next 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. Once again I am repeating the possible all a values. What are the possible all a values? 6q plus 0 means 6q, 6q plus 1 the first remainder, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. But this is not the final answer here. Now we have to decide what are the a values cannot be responsible for this odd integer and which are the a values are responsible for the odd integer. You have to say in two steps. Now the a values can't be. The a values can't be. That means which are not the a values. What are the a values can't be? 6q plus 2, this is not a value, and 6q plus 4. Why? Because in the question he asked that one, show the odd positive integer. Show the odd positive integer. This is not odd positive integer. 6q plus 2 is not odd, that is even. 6q plus 4 is not, it is even. So these two, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 are even integers, even positive integers. We need odd positive integer. So the a values can be, the a values can be 6q plus 1. Why it is a value? Because it is odd number. 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So this is the final answer what you required it. Why? Because he asked that one, let a be the any positive odd integer. The first step what we kept. See, 6q plus 1 is a positive odd integer, 6q plus 3 is a positive odd integer, and 6q plus 5 is the positive odd integer. Okay, I think you understood the sum number 1. Now, one more I am going to explain in the same method for you. I think you can see in the textbook. This is the sum number 4. So that any positive cube of any positive integer that is given as 9m comma 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This is that I am not writing a question here. You can check in the book one. That means the same rhythm, whatever the question which I gave you first, that one. What is the question I gave in the first sum? Use division algorithm to show that any positive cube of any positive odd integer is in the form of cube of any positive odd integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This is a question. But here is, we have to stress cube of positive odd integer. Now, I am coming with the same steps. At a stretch, I will give you let A be cube of any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer. In the previous sum, any positive odd integer we discussed. Now, cube of any positive integer. This is very interesting one, important one also. This of step number 1 is over. Step number 2 already you can understand. What you have to do in the step number 2? Apply the Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma formula. Division lemma formula. We have to apply the Euclid division lemma formula. In this case, where A and B are the integers, where B is equals to 9. Here you can see B is equals to 9. Why I kept here 9m plus 1 means here B cube plus R means R is the remainder 1 and B value is 9. That means next step you can easily understand, R is greater than or equal to 0 but less than B. Here in the place of the B I will keep 9. Now the all possible reminders, What are all possible reminders? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why I stopped after 8 means because the divisor is 9, remainder should not exceed 8. Remainder should not exceed 8. So this is the step number 1 is let A be cube of any positive integer and apply Euclid division lemma where A and B are the integers and B is equals to 9 and R is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 9. Here the remainders must come below 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. 6, 7, 8. Now what I am going to give, you can identify. Now I have to give all possible A values. All possible A values I have to give. So what are the possible A values? Now, here, next step is already, once again I repeat, the step number 1 is let A be cube of any positive integer and the b is equals to 9, and the remainder should be less than 9. So all the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what is my next duty is we have to find out all possible a values. All possible a values. All possible a values are, what are the possible a values here? 9m. That means 9m plus 0, 9m you will get it, comma. Second one, I think you can say 9m plus, what is that next reminder? 1. 9m plus 1. Next, 9m plus 2. Next, 9m plus 3. Next, 9m plus 4. Next, 9m plus 5. Next, 9m plus 6. Next, 9m plus 7. Next, and 9m plus 8. And we got, these are all possible a values. Why? Because what is the meaning of all possible a values means the a values which will get according to the possible reminders. According to the possible reminders. Here possible reminders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And possible values also 9m plus 0, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 2, 9m plus 3, 9m plus 4, 9m plus 5, 9m plus 6, 9m plus 7, 9m plus 8. So these are the possible reminders. Now, we'll go one interesting point now. What does that means? And he told that one, cube of positive integer. Cube of positive integer means, I am keeping the reminders here only. Why? Because it should be exponential point of view we need. If the remainder is equals to 0, first one, if the remainder is equals to 0, cubing this remainder r cube, that means 0 cubes, you will get 0 only. So the first value you are getting as 9m. Here first value you are getting as 9m. Why? Because the remainder is going to be 0.
Yes.
Next, if the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 1 r cube. R cube means 1 cube here. 1 cube is equals to 1 only. So here, what that a value will come here? A value will be 9m plus 1. Why? Because 1 cube is 1 only. He told that one cube of any positive integer. That is the reason I am getting cube here. Why I am cubing here means because he told the cube of any positive integer. Now suppose if r is equals to 2 and r value is 2 cube, 8. That means r cube and 2 cube here and 8. So what is the a value we are going to get here? 9m plus 8. This is the a value. And next thing is, or next reminder is, if r value is 3 and r cube, so that occasion you are going to get 3 cube, and 3 cube means almost 27, and you will get here 9m plus 27. And by observing this one, you can see the possible a values are 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 2, 9m plus 3, 9m plus 4, 9m plus 5, 9m plus 6, 9m plus 7, 9m plus 8. But 9m plus 27 is not available. 9m plus 27 is not possible here. So, which a values? The a values can't be. The a values can't be. The a values can't be means, what are the a values we cannot go for it means, because if remainder 3 only it became 27, remainder 2 it became 9.8. 9.8 is possible over here. So that means a values can't be means 9m plus 3, it cannot be a value. 9m plus 4, it cannot be a value, so on. 9m plus 8. These are all 9m plus 3, 9m plus 4, 9m plus 5, 9m plus 6, 9m plus 7, 9m plus 8. These values are A values cannot be. So now, what are the A values can be? Final statement, the A values can be. The A values can be. A values, the A values can be here. Can be. That means what is that one? 9m. Here you see, remainder 0 means 9m is getting, okay. Remainder is 1 means 9m plus 1 you are getting. So remainder is 2 means 9m plus 8 we are getting. These are A values can be. Finally, these are the cube of the integers. See, 0 cube, 9m will come. 1 cube, 9m plus 1 will come. 2 cube, 9m plus 8 will come. But later on, we cannot go for it. If we are taking remainder 3, we are getting 9m plus 27. If remainder 4, 9m plus 64, like that you are going to face. So, that are not possible. This is the sum number second. Now, I am directly going to the very important topic in this real numbers. Now, we'll go further. For this example purpose, whatever I taught till now, you keep your comment on that one. Once again, I will repeat next episode perfectly. Now I am going to improvise further you in the logarithms point of view. Perfect solutions I am giving. Later on, in that another one also, whether it is a rational number, irrational number point of view, I am going to say. Okay. Now we'll start the logarithms one. We are having the 7 formulae. Along with that one, all the sums also I am going to discuss with you now. So carefully become perfect in logarithms in this real numbers. Okay, now according to that one, we'll come with the logarithms topic. First formula of the logarithm is log x plus log y is equals to log xy. Log x plus log y is equals to log xy. Log xy means log x into y. I am giving one example for this one. Log 2 plus log 7 is equals to log 2 into 7. You are going to get log 14. And here, thereafter, second formula, log x minus log y is equals to log x by y. Here is x into y, the first formula. Second formula is x by y. Now, I'll come with one example. Here one example I gave for this one. Here also one example I am giving. Log 9 minus log 3 is equals to, here is log 9 by 3 is equals to log 3. Log 3 value. Next, this is the formula number 2. And comes the point of the formula number 3. I think you noted down all this one. Once again, I will repeat the formula number 1. Log x plus log y is equal to log xy. example for this, log 2 plus log 7, log 2 into 7 is equals to log 14. This is a formula and example of the first logarithms, and formula and example of second logarithms. Second formula of the logarithm is log x minus log y is equals to log x by y. And here example is log x, that means 9, log y means log 3, and log x by y means 9 by 3. 9 by 3 will get log 3. So finally the answer is log 3 here for the second formula purpose. Now third formula. Formula number 3, log x to the power of m base a. This is the formula number 3. But how to write this one means, this is the log value x. This is the base of the log value. This is the power exponent of the log value. This exponent power will become character. Character means it will come in front of the log. M log x base a. That means m is the character of logarithm. M is the character of logarithm. This is log value is x and base is a. Now one example I am giving for this one. Suppose the example is log 512 base 2, and this is in the form of, how can I will tell that this is in this form only, this example only means you can see here 512 means log, it is almost all 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9 is nothing but 512. 2 to the power of 9 is nothing but 512 base 2. Base 2 I am keeping as it is. The 512 I converted as 2 to the power of 9. That means here I am giving here 2 to the power of 9 is equals to 512. 512 here. So now, after this, you can see this is the log, this is the log value, this is the exponent like m, this is the base. Now what will happen? This exponent will become character. The exponent will become character. Now what is happening here? Log, the exponent became character, log 9 log to 9 log to base 2. Here 9 log to base 2 is 9 into 1. Here 9 into 1 means 9. How you got 1? You will get confused. The confused means one formula is there here. What is that formula? Log a base a is equals to 1. That means log value and base value is same, means that is equal to 1. Here what is log value? Is 2. Base also 2. So 9 into 1. Then you can understand. Suppose one more example I will give. Log 5 and base 5 is also 1 only. Log 10 and base 10 is also 1. So here 9 into log to base 2 means 1 and is equals to 9. This is the answer for this one, and this is the formula number 3. Now formula number 4. Log x base to the power of m. Here this formula number 4 is just opposite to the what you call the third one. The exponent is having base. Base is having exponent power, not the log value. So now that time what will happen? Here this power will become reciprocal of the same. Reciprocal. That means 1 by m is equals to 1 by m log x base a. If the power is per base, that will become reciprocal. If this is the same power, for example, here the previous formula, this is the previous formula. Which one is having power? Log value. Now in this formula, which one is having power? Base. Base is having power here. Which is having power here? Base is having power. Base is having power here. So when the base is having power, and this will become base is having power means that will become reciprocal. If the log value is having power means that will become direct character. When log is having power means that is direct character. When the base is having power means reciprocal, the value will become reciprocal. It will become m log xa. That is 1 by m log xa if it is a base is having. So this example purpose, one example I am giving here for the problem number 4. Formula number 4 purpose, one example is log 3 base 81. This one we can write log 3 and here 81 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So that means 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81. In the place of 81, I will write as a 3 to the power of 4. Now I am writing as a log 3 to the power of 4. Here log 3 to the log 3 to the power of 4. The 81 I written as 3 to the power of 4. Now the base is having power. Now how it will becomes? It becomes a reciprocal 1 by 4 log 3 base 3. Here I told you already log 3 base 3 is equals to 1. That means 1 by 4 into 1 is equals to 1 by 4 is the value of this sum. So this is the formula number 4. And next formula number 5. Before going to formula number 5, one important sum I am teaching for you. What is it? That means log under root c base c. How to solve this problem means, you can see here one interesting point is the root value is here. The root value is nothing but 1 by 2. We can change 1 by 2 into root or root value into 1 by 2. So now next step is log c 1 by 2. I converted the root into 1 by 2 and base is c only. Now what will happen next step? Because it is a formula number 3. What is the formula number 3? Log x to the power of m base a. Now power c is having power. That will become character m log x base a. That means that 1 by 2 will become character here log c base c. And here 1 by 2 into 1. Why? Because log c base c is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. This is the another value. Next one. Next formula is log 1 base 5 is equals to 0. It is formula only. Don't confuse. Log 1 base 7 is also 0 only. Log 1 base 10 is also 0 only. That means log value 1 base anything should be there. That total value will be 0. Log 1 base anything, it is no problem. The total value is going to be 0. Then the next formula, a log n base a. Here what you identified? Here what you identified means, you can see clearly, character and base is same. Character and base is same. When character and base is same, what is the log value here? That is the total answer. What is log value here? N. Now I'll give one example for this one. Suppose 5 is a character, 5 log 7 base 5. Here character is 5, base is 5. And here log value is 7. What is the answer for here? 7. You can see, you can compare it. Now we'll go for few problems in the exercise 1.5. Very, very important problems I'm going to solve. All the problems, almost all you will get a very clear cut answer after learning this formula. I think your formula you got clarity. Now, the important now I am explaining the few more very important problems now. Very carefully listen. This session is very important for you. Don't go away. This session is most important. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మీకు. కావాలంటే మీరు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కూడా పెట్టచ్చు. మీకు పూర్తిగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో అర్థం కాకపోతే తెలుగులో చక్కగా ఆనందించేటట్టు మీకు చెప్తాను. మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏ చాప్టర్ అయినా ఎనీథింగ్ అయినా మీకు డౌట్లెస్గా చెప్పడానికి నేను ఎప్పుడు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను. లైవ్ క్లాసెస్కి మీరు ఎవ్రీ సండే అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు. అటెండ్ అయ్యి చూడండి. ఎనీ టఫ్ చాప్టర్ నేను క్లియర్ చేస్తాను. నౌ ఫ్యూ సమ్స్ ఇన్ ద లాగరిథమ్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. In the logarithm exercise, log 8 by 27, 2 by 3. In this case, here, ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంది అని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వచ్చు మీరు. దిస్ ఈజ్ లాగ్. మీకు ఒకటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ తెలుసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ సమ్ వాల్యూస్ గివెన్ మీన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లాస్ట్ వన్ సమ్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ 512 base 2. Whenever is given base, this value also is a value of the base, concerned to the base. The 512 is concerned to the base. So for example, now base is 2, no? It is a multiple of 2 only. 512 is a multiple of 2. That purpose 2 to the power of 9. So 8 by 27 also a multiple of the 2 by 3 base. So that we have to catch here. That is a technique to understand to catch here. So here to base is 2 means 100% the log value is a multiple of the 2. If base is 5 means here 100% the value is a multiple of the 5. The base is 6 means it is 100% multiple of the 6. So now here what I am thinking here, base 2 by 3. When will come 8? 2 into 2. It is a 8. That means 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8. When 27 will come 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. That means 3 to the power of 3 is 27. That means you are going to say, you are going to convert 8 by 27 as 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube, base 2 by 3. Now see, the log value and base value become equal. Log value and base value equal. After getting equal, you will get which formula this comes under. This is the formula number 3. That is log x to the power of m base a. When the power will become character, m log x base a. Here the character means log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. That means 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Both log value base value same means what we will take? 1. So the answer is 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Check once again. Log 8 by 27, which is nothing but a multiple of base only. Always the problem will be in the form of multiple of the what is base is given. It depends upon the basis given. So this is one of the good example for you, and this is the format. Now next sum is ninth sum in the ninth bit in the first sum of 1.5 exercise. Now I am teaching, that's the most important one. Once again you see, ninth sum of exercise 1.5 exercise, first sum ninth bit. First sum ninth bit. Here I am giving for you. Ninth bit is given as 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is the problem is given. This is the ninth bit in 1.5 exercise in your logarithms. First sum ninth bit. So here, don't confuse over here. You try to be understand. One logic I'll tell you. Here, 2 to, this is the exponent only. What is exponent you got 2 here? 2 plus log 3 base 2 you have got here. Here, 2 formulae we are having. One is actually when 2 to the power 5 is there into 2 to the power of 7 is there. Since the bases are same, you know the formula. Since the bases are same, power should be added. So now, bases are same, power should be added means 5 plus 7, 12. So here, when we are adding the exponent and this log 3 base 2, having the base same only here. That means 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Why I kept here 2? Because whenever the bases are same, then only these two powers are going to be added here. Whenever the bases are same, these powers are going to be added in this case. So, and now, thereafter, what I am going to take here? 2 square. 2 square means how much? 4. Here, and this 2 log 3 base 2. Here, what is there here? 2 log 3 base 2. This 2 log 3 base 2, and directly I am saying as 3. How? What is a? How can you say 2 log 3 base 2 as a 3 means? One formula is there here. Just now we taught you. A log n base 2. A log n base a. When character and base is same, what is the log value here? That is the answer. Here it can. So here log value is a 3. So when the character and base is same. So now 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Now this is the important sums. And comes to the point of the 2 more sums I may explain, and thereafter I will go very big sums, very huge sums, compulsory sums in the chapter. Write the following expressions as log n and find the values. So this is the 1.5 exercise, second sum, first bit, 3 log 4 base 64. How to solve this problem? Here character is 3. Three log 4 and 64 means here 3. I told you already. This log value and base having certain relation. That means 4 and this is the 4 cube. 64 is written as a 4 cube. That means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 cube is equals to 64. And base 64 I am writing as a 4 cube. Now, already character 3 is there. Whenever the base is having power, the power will become character, reciprocal character. The power will become reciprocal character. Now, this power I am changing as reciprocal character. That means 1 by 3. Already character is there here, 3. And then log 4 and base 4. Here log 4 is there, base 4 is there. This power became reciprocal character because this is the formula number 4. That means when log x a to the power of m means 1 by m is equals to log x base a. Now see, here what is happened? 3 going to get cancelled, 1 will be left. Here log 4 base 4 means it is also 1 only. 1 into 1 you will get 1 is the answer. Okay, I think you understood now. You can see once again I'm saying here base is 64. The 64 I'm converting an exponential form. Exponential form of the 64 is a 4 cube. And whenever this exponent is becomes a character, reciprocal character, already character 3 is there. The 3 and 1 by 3 going to get cancelled and you are getting 1. And log 4 base 4 is 1. And totally answer is 1 here. And now one more problem I am giving here. Log x cube y square under root. Now how to solve this one means I told you already what is the root means. Root is nothing but 1 by 2. Root is nothing but
3 minutes. More 3 minutes to 1 hour. Start.
now next sum is I told already root means 1 by 2. Here log x why this I am converting as this root I am converting as 1 by 2. Now whenever I am going like this, here x by 3 1 by 2 y square 1 by 2. Here log x 3 by 2 y into 2 by 2. So this is going to be 1, this is going to 3. And finally answer is log x 3 by 2 and y. So this is, that means I'm changing the root as 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 you will get. And 2 into 1 by 2, only 1 you will get. 2 into 1 by 2, 1 you will get. Final answer is, so here log x 3 by 2 by y. So now I am coming very big problems for you and very short time will complete. This is a very carefully listen. These are the very important problems. 1 point exercise, 5th problem, 6th problem, 7th and 8th. These problems I am teaching now. Be ready for that one. Here the problem is, if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that two log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. That means in this problem number 5 in the 1.5 exercise is given for us x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. Then is asking to prove bring this kind of equation at finally. Bring this kind of equation at finally. So how to bring this equation means, very interestingly you have to see. First step is, here one formula you have to take, x plus y whole square. That means a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula we have to take means, I will tell you here, x square plus y square is there. That means a square plus b square. Automatically we have to apply same formula, plus what will happen, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula we are having. So when you are applied this formula, in this case you can see, again I am continuing, x plus y whole square means x is a, y is b. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here, in the place of x square and y square, in the place of x square and y square, I am going to take the value of this 25xy. So now 25xy plus whatever the here it is there, 2xy I am taking there, 2xy. So now, now it is the time, insert. Insert means keep. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి పెట్టాలి, insert log. You have to keep the log here in front and both right side and left side. You have to keep the log value. Insert the log term here. That means log x plus y whole square is equals to log 25xy plus 2xy. You are going to get 25xy plus 2xy, 27xy. 27xy. So I inserted log on the both the sides. See here. Here log is not there. Here log is not there. I inserted the log. Now how to solve this one means, already this is in the form of formula number 3. That means log x to the power of m base a means m log x base a. That means here the power will become character. 2 log x plus y. Now already half of the solution is got here. Now next what will happen here, 27 into x into y. Means into means you have to go for plus. 27 means we can write as a 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Here finally 27 I converted here log 3 cube, and here because into means plus will come here. Here what is the meaning of here, 27 into x into y means 27 log 27 plus log x plus log y. That is the way. Into multiplication means only plus will be added here. Now finally 2 log x plus y is equals to, this is the exponent will become character, 3 log 3 log x and log y. So now you can see, you understood in the how many steps it is completed. It is just starting. We have taken, we applied here, we got, and we applied the log on the both the sides. We got the permanent solution. Now we'll go for the next 6th problem. If log x plus y by 3, problem number 6. Problem number 6. In the 1.2 exercise, if x plus y by 3, that means what is given, if log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. And what is asking, then find the value of find the value of x by y plus y by x is given log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, now we'll take first this one. Solution. I'm coming with a solution. Log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Here, next step, log x by y by 3, same step is repeated, but here is little change. 1 by 10 keeping, but according to formula number 1, log x plus log y, log xy. That means log x into y. Whenever the plus is there, almost all multiplication you will get it. Now, another formula is here 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 character means I can change this character as a root for this one. So now, log x by y by 3 is equals to this character is becoming root. Log xy root under root. Carefully listen. 1 by 2 is a character of the log. And what is log value here? Xy. The xy got root because the 1 by 2 is converted as a root. You know already root value is nothing but 1 by 2. So now, in the last sum, we removed the logs. Sorry, we inserted the logs. Now we are removing the logs. Now we have what step you have tried? Remove the logs. Remove the logs. On the both the sides we are removing the logs. Now after removing the logs, x by y plus 3 and under root xy. This is the thing we got after removing the logs. Now what is the step? Once again I am repeating. Step number 1, log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, and log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log xy. After that one, log x plus y by 3 is equals to log under root xy. And now the step is you have to remove the logs. I removed the logs here. What is left over? X plus y by 3 is equals to under root xy. Now we have to go cross multiplication in the next step. Cross multiplication here, x plus y by 3, we are going the after cross multiplication, we are going to get x y 3 under root xy. We cross multiplied, we got this kind of value here. Now we having some certain root, we having here everything else. To remove the root, we have to go for squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now when you are squaring on both sides means x plus y whole square is equals to whole square. Now x plus y whole square means x square plus y square plus 2xy, and this is a 3 square, and root going to be get cancelled here, 3 square xy. Now next step is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 9 square means 9xy. Now I am sending the 2xy to the other side. X plus x square plus y square is equals to 9xy minus 2xy. And what we are going to get here? You can see x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Here we want to get the, what is the value here? What is the value of x by y and y by x value is asking. So that value we want to find out. How to find out means, first of all, we remove the xy here. Xy have to remove means divide the equation. Divide the equation by xy. You have to divide the equation by xy. How means x square plus y square by xy, 7xy by xy. Why you have to divide it with xy by? Because one constant term in it. xy cancel. Now what is left? 7. So x square by
జనరల్లో ఉంటుందా
రిమైండర్ మీద
రైట్
లైవ్ బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది సార్.
వచ్చింది
బ్రేక్ వాడే ఇచ్చాడా? అంటే ఇంతలో చెప్పలేరా?
2 minutes ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ నాకు
I think a little disturbance. After that little disturbance, join once again. One more problem is left, and this problem is incomplete. Now we can see that one. I think you got clarity up to here. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 3 square 9y, and x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 9y. X square y square is equals to this 2xy became like this, and we got this equation. Dividing the equation by xy. Why? Because we have one constant term here, 7. So we got the constant term here. Now we have to find out the final problem, final solution here, where we are now x square by xy, y square by xy is equals to 7. Here x square we can write like this, x into x by xy plus y into y by xy is equals to 7. Y cancel, x cancel. What is it now? X by y plus y by x is equals to 7. Finally, what he asked? He asked to find the value of x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. So this is problem number 6.
సార్ అయిపోయిందా సార్? సార్ ఈ సమయం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీరు కెమెరా బ్యాక్ తీసుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ఏమైనా ఉంది కదా సార్? మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఇవ్వలేదు సార్, మూడ్ చేశారు. మ్యూట్ చేశారు కదా సార్?
ఇదిగో ఈ ఒక్క సమ్ ఉందిరా, ఈ రెండు సమ్స్ చిన్న చిన్నవి, ఇది చిన్న సమ్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఈ రెండు సమ్ చెప్పేస్తే మొత్తం అయిపోయినట్టు. ఇది
ఓకే సార్
తోడుపెన్స్
దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ చూడాలి మనం. అరే బాబు,
ఎస్ సార్. దీనికి కౌశిక్
ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్? 15ఆ? 10ఆ? 5 15ఆ?
నీ దాంట్లో చూడు,
వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కనెక్షన్ వస్తుంది కదా.
నెట్వర్క్ స్లో అయినట్టుంది సార్. దీన్ని నీకు అడుస్తుందా?
వచ్చిందా?
అన్మోట్ చేస్తున్నా సార్. మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
అరే అయిపోయిందిరా.
ఫస్ట్
అవుతుంది అవుతుంది ఇంకా.
అరే
వినిపిస్తుందా?
ఇప్పుడు అనుకున్నాను. ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ 1 అవర్ 13 మెంబర్స్ వాచ్డ్. మ్యూట్ చేసి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
Now I am giving 2 more sums to end the session with live of these real numbers, my dears. The sum number 7 in 1.5 exercise. If 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 0.23 whole to the power of y is equals to 1000, and then find the value of find the value of 1 by x, find the value of 1 by x and 1 by y. Is given that one 2.x to the power of x and 0.23 power of y and is equals to 1000, and find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here we have to find this one. Now I am coming to the solution. First of all, I will take the relation of these two. Which relation? 2 by 3 to the power of x, 1000. That means 2 by 3 to the power of x is equals to 1000. 1000 I can write in exponential form. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x, okay? And 10 cube. Here, and I'm sending the power to the other side. 2.3. This power I'm sending other side means it becomes 10 to the power of 3 by x. This is the equation number 1. And comes to the point of equation number 2, 0.23 to the power of y is equals to 1000.
సార్ మీది అది హ్యాంగ్ అయిందంట సార్. ఇది మీరు చెప్పేది వినిపిస్తుంది కానీ అది కనిపించలేదంట.
ఇది
అది స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కనెక్షన్ కూడా చూపిస్తుంది.
నెట్ రావట్లేదు సార్ మీ ఫోన్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కనెక్షన్. ఇంతసేపు వచ్చింది, ఇందాక
అంటే సమ్మా పెద్దమంట.
సరే
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసినా సరే వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందిరా.
నువ్వు ఉన్నవరా ఇలా మూట్ ఉంది సార్. మూట్ చేసి అన్మూట్ అని చేసి ఆయన సార్ నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం సార్. ఆఫ్ చే
లైవ్ తీసి
సార్ బాయ్ అని చెప్పచ్చు.
I will continue next few problems in the real numbers in the next episode in the next live show. Thank you for watching, and are you satisfied? You put a comment in the chat box, and whatever the mistakes are also there, you point out to me. And thank you for watching once again. ఏమైంది అసలుకి?
ఇంకా నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది సార్.
మనం మాట్లాడే ప్రతి ఒక్క సమయం వినిపించిందంటే
మరి అదే మీరు మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉన్నారు. మీరు
మాట్లాడు కరెక్ట్ సార్.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసిన
మూట్ చేసినా అన్మూట్ చేసినా వస్తుంది సౌండ్.
ఇందా వెరీ బ్యాడ్ కనెక్షన్ ఉంది కదా,
అప్పటి నుంచి వస్తుంది సార్.
ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
అక్కడ నుంచి వినిపిస్తుంది. అయిపోయింది సార్.
ఇంకా వస్తుందంటే
అయిపోయింది
క్లాస్ ఉందా?
అయిపోయింది. హీట్ అయినా లైట్
హీట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఇది.
హీట్ ఎక్కింది లైట్.
అదే మరి నేను గొడుగు పట్టుకొని, ఇదిగో నేను గొడుగు పట్టుకొని
స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలా ఉందా? క్లాస్ సార్
నెక్స్ట్ టైం మనకి వేరే ఉంటారు కదా, ఎవరు మన వేరే స్కూల్ వాళ్ళు కూడా చెప్పాలి.